Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Camlink 4K by Elgato. Let's get straight into it. If you didn't already know what this is basically adapter, or as they call it, a cam connector to basically enable you to use your camera, as in your actual camera, not a webcam or anything, and make it into a webcam. So what do I mean? So I've got a Sony FX3 that I film with, and you can basically connect this and then use your FX or whatever DSLR or mirrorless camera or whatever you have, and use it directly into your computer to allow you to use your camera as a webcam. And obviously this increases the quality of all your content, your videos, whatever. As you probably already know, I use this for streaming, and yeah, it's excellent. Anyways, this is the product. Well, this is the Amazon package that it came in, lol. Interesting. Can you see that there? The box is damaged. It's a bit bent. I don't know why that is, but either way, it's sealed. That's the main thing that I'm looking for here. It's sealed. That's good. Let's look at the actual box and we'll go through it like that. So that's the front, sides. What does it say here? In the box, Camlink 4K, USB 3.0 A to C extension cable. Okay, that's good. Give the extension cable. That's on the side, and that's the bottom. If you guys want to have a read of that, I don't think anyone does, but let's look here. Plug and produce. System requirements. So it gives the system requirements. It works on Windows and Mac. That's good. It's giving you some technical specs that you need: a CPU, 8th gen minimum, etc. Universal capability. Okay, pro resolution. So yeah, this is for up to 4K. As you all know, the FX3 does record in 4K, so I will be using this. Excellent. Yeah, that's basically it. You connect it with HDMI as well, so I had to order another HDMI cable. I've got so many now. It's becoming a bit ridiculous. Do you know what? I would love to show you all what my actual setup is, because I've got so much stuff around me, it's crazy. And this is another thing that I'm adding on. Okay, let's actually get to unboxing it. There we go. I actually tore the box. That's not a problem. I tore it, I damaged it, and that's the main thing. Hold on, I think you pull it out just like this. Can see there? That was a bit of a... Hold on. Well, I meant to pull it out like this then. So everything's already fallen. Okay, this is basically what it comes in here. Download the Elgato capture software. So, I don't believe you actually need to download the software. Let's throw this away. I've got a prompter, a teleprompter. If you haven't watched that video, do watch it. It took me a while to film the introduction of that video. I'm proud of it. I copied another YouTuber. I think his name's Senpai or something like that. He did an awesome one. Obviously, I'm a Senpai wannabe here when I tried to copy it. It's just the art was beautiful, so that's why I tried to copy it. But anyway, I believe it's just literally, as it says on the thing, plug and play. You don't really need to install in software. I've got the camera hub. The reason is because obviously for my prompter, right? But yeah, anyways, this is the product. Camlink. It's a very small. Look at that HDMI slot there, USB A slot there, and yeah, that's the serial number. There you can have a look. But yeah, this is the product itself. I like the fact that it's gold. Normally gold means that it's higher quality, as in the output of the videos and stuff that you'll get will be higher quality. And then yeah, throw that little stuff away there. And this is the cable C to A. That's interesting. So I would put that in here, right? I'm actually a bit shocked. I thought that was going to be A to A, but it's C to A, which is good. That means it can go straight directly into my MacBook, which is great. Not many, do you know what? I've realized not many companies actually do C for some reason. Hopefully they're getting used to it now, and they will do. But yeah, this is C2A. Hopefully you guys can see that there. And yeah, this was a quick unboxing, but I will be giving you all the tech specs and just to refine why this is a product that's a very important to get if you're looking to stream, if you're looking to upgrade your webcam game. So as I mentioned, all of your apps can use this. What do I mean? You can use this connected to streaming on OBS, on Ecamm, on YouTube, on X, on Zoom, on Twitch, literally everything. Microsoft Teams, whatever you want it to connect to, it will do. It's plug and play, as I mentioned, 4K HDMI port, excellent. It's super compatible. What do I mean by this? You can use this with so many different companies: Sony, Canon, Fujifilm, Nikon, Panasonic, GoPro. By the way, some people say Nikon, I say Nikon. I don't know what the correct way to say it is, but that doesn't matter. You can even use it to preview stuff on your iPad. That's how it connects as well. You use that as a monitor. It's pocket sized, as you can see. It's ultra low latency. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this quick unboxing, and it'll give you an idea if you want to buy this or not. It's a bit expensive. It's like £100, £95. I got it for 95 on Amazon. There wasn't an offer or anything. But yeah, actually they said it was down from 120, but I think you know how it is. They just market it like that. But seriously, I couldn't find any other better solution that's so quick to basically use, plug and play, right? But yeah, Elgato, I've got so many of the products: Stream Deck, Prompter. By the way, this ain't sponsored or anything like that. It's literally, their products are really high quality. That's the main thing, and that's why I love them. So lastly, to say, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this and this was beneficial to you. I upload content regarding crypto, unboxing tech like this, as you can see. So if you're interested in subjects like that, my whole platform is for education. So do have a look at my other videos. And yeah, do like this video, share this video if it will help anybody else. And lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.